a little bit shocked because I thought that it's only 5 or 6 persons join this meeting, so I'm a little bit nervous. I'll try my best.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Rita Hendriani. I come from, Indonesia, and I'm a teacher back to my country. I teach at a state vocational high school. Actually, I teach electrical science. In Indonesia, I'm taking a master's degree now about waste and environmental management. So I have we four of us got opportunity to come here to learn more about how to manage waste and environment, because we know that Sweden is very good in this management system. We have been here for about almost four months, yeah, and we have learned a lot from the way of life of the Swedish people. Start from our department. We separate the waste, black plastic and white plastic. We don't have it in Indonesia. So the first thing I'm thinking to contribute the ideas from the household waste. We are 4 persons. 2 of us are doing biogas research at Hoskolan University, but I'm Iman doing environmental review here at Servicekontoret. We appreciate it very much to have this opportunity. This is a very new for us. We never do it before. The way we do this environmental review is we conducted a 5 days interview to the supervisors and the staff of Servicekontoret, and we have a great help from the Ake, Karina, and Margarita also were great contributions to help us collecting the data and numbers we need to perform next in our report. And our supervisor has given us a good support, and what else? I think that's it. Maybe you have questions, whatever.
What do you expect before you came here, and what is the memory you get when you get home?
The things we know is that Sweden is the leader of the environmental management, but we don't know yet what is it the leader. But when we arrive here and we can start living in Sweden and in Boras especially, we know what the people mean. So there are a lot of things that we can bring back to Indonesia. The big difference is about the culture and the technology, of course, and the living cost. Yeah, so we hope what we have got from our training here, we can contribute and we can apply in our country. Yeah, because we need it. There are many problems about the waste and environment in Indonesia.
What is the big difference in the culture between Indonesia and Swedish? What is the big difference in the culture between man and man, or?
Back to Indonesia. I saw here on the bus, girl and boy kissing. We don't have it in Indonesia. We don't do it in front of many people. That's the first thing I see here. Yeah. But you have a good regulation. You have the way how to do things here. We have the regulation too, but many people disobey it. Yeah.
Passa på och ställ frågor nu, men Rita står
Do you see the waste refinery problem as one of your country's biggest problem, or do you have other problem that's biggest, the environment of waste?
Yes, yes. We have in our economic problem, the first. The waste problem is, I think, connected to the economic too. And then we have security. Many people are fighting or something in some of part of Indonesia. That's the problem we are facing now.
Rita, don't you think that the biggest problem that you have to face when you come back is to change the people's habits?
Right. That's the big problem. The most important problem is to change people's habit, the way of life, the way to manage the waste, because they don't know that here waste is a resource, valuable things, but we don't have it in Indonesia yet. So I think it's better to I'm a teacher, so I think I can teach my students I think how valuable is the waste.
Rita, you have been one important partner when we set up the plan, when we discussed to create a network.
Yes.
And you help us to choose the different cities. What do you think is the possibility that we could achieve our goals through the networks work when we have so much support from the ministry and the local government and the university? What do you think about that? It's a good chance to succeed?
Yes, this is a very good chance, and then if it's possible that if I told you before that we invite the keymaker, to come and then to see what you have done here, and we have to believe that if you can do that, we can do that too. Yeah.
Ismail, do you want to make a short presentation as well?
Okay, I'll try it.
Thank you for your attention.